Hey guys, good morning. Hey, I want to do a overview of Cardano and Doge this morning. I've never done this before. I've never paired up two coins in one video, but we're going to try something new. So we're going to do both. We're going to go over Cardano, we're going to go over Doge, just to kind of give us an idea of what's going on in these markets. And we'll start with Cardano first. And I'm going to pull the metrics up for us here. These metrics are over at tradeconfident.io. You guys can snag these with our membership. Currently 121 wins with one loss, and that was on Luna. And by the way, guys, this scalping that we're doing is taking over like crazy. I just published a video of how since May 18th, we've literally been able to do over 1% a day in profit since May 18th. It's been pretty crazy. So watch that video on our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to get more of those notifications. Okay, you guys ready? Let's dive in here. So here's the deal, guys, on Cardano. We have got a massive descending resistance line here that you need to be watching. We're on the daily time frame right now, okay? If we break this, where are we going to go? That's what everyone's trying to wonder, and we're trying to figure this out, guys, is once we break this, the next greatest resistance, and I'm pretty confident we're going to actually hit this if we go past here, is at the next strongest structure of previous support, which is now future resistance, and that is right at this price here, guys, of 77 cents, okay? Puts us just above the quarters theory level of 75 cents, but it's just pushing us just a little bit higher, okay? That is the next place I think we're going to hit here. From where we're at, I'm looking at this to be about, I would say, is it close to a 29-30% move up here? So those of you guys who have wanted and you guys have prayed and you've wished for the crypto markets to be this low, you're getting so many opportunities. I was just looking at this on Bitcoin. I'm like, if you just got anything into Bitcoin down here or some of these altcoins at these low prices, you guys are going to be doing great, okay? Let's quickly move over here. Price well money flow and trend exhaustion. These indicators in the description, they're 82% off. Snag them today. It's how we use them in the scalping strategy. I just came out with a video, so watch that, guys, okay? This being this high, well money flow, and trend exhaustion being pushed up here, the closer you are to the higher sections up here, guys, just gonna be honest, this is actually correlated to more, I would say, higher chance of moving back down in the market. It's when the trend exhaustion is very low and well money flow is very low down here, that's when the market actually finds bottoms and starts turning back around. It's why we use them all the time. And I don't know if we'll ever not use them, okay? What we're looking for here is when these two metrics are high, especially when trend exhaustion is in the top right section and well money flow is higher, guys, massive correlation of moves back down in the market. So I'm showing you and I'm circling all these for you guys because if we see any type of break up here, it's going to put us back in that position. So if you guys move up here and you're in the profit, I would definitely look to take some profit right around 0.77 cents. If you guys are in the market and you're like, hey, I honestly just think this overall bearish market is probably going to continue, I would look to take some profit right at probably, guys, about 0.74. I would actually look to get out before the quarters theory level of 75 cents, okay? Let's blast through the metrics real quick on ADA because I want to go over to Dogecoin and we'll end this video here. So Cardano, the emotions, guys, sitting up in the excited area, definitely a place where we're looking for a drop back down. As far as volume, we do have long trades surpassing short trades on volume for Bitfinex, so still a bullish sign here, but short trades are starting to move back in the market here a little bit. Market cap strength, the market cap is actually moving up. This is actually pretty healthy, guys. So seeing Cardano move back up in market cap here, basically the dominance of where's everybody putting their money in crypto, it's coming back into Cardano. A good thing to see because a lot of people pretty much abandoned Cardano the last month or two and they put their money elsewhere in Bitcoin because Bitcoin's dominance market cap is going up like insane lately. Okay, trades in favor, sitting in the neutral section here, but we're getting, guys, we're closer to a good short trade in here, to be honest, than a long trade. So we're not looking for any long trades right now on Cardano because we're looking for that potential drop back down. We also see short trades coming out here very aggressively for smart money. So definitely just be watching this for this move back down. Support resistance prices. Next move, the greatest structure support, I would say, is about 44 cents down here. So just be watching that. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys are using this, you are getting like the best entries possible on this. Throw $1,000 into each green line, hold 5 to 10 years, and you guys will be doing great, okay? Here's a trade setup for you guys if you want to get into the strategy. If you actually go all the way down to the bottom here, to the bottom of any of our metrics, I will show you guys how we've gone 122 wins with only one loss. Watch that video and you guys will use the actual buy limits that we'll be updating this morning for 6/7, because today is June 7th, and these were from yesterday. Everything updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, that's the analysis on Cardano. Let's switch over and let's go to Dogecoin. Let's do this for fun. I know I'm on the daily time frame, but I wanted to give us a macro view on this. Dogecoin is doing nothing, guys. It is I've actually never seen a coin this flat before. If we actually come over here, go to the indicators, and let's go out I hardly ever show this to you guys. This is what's called the pressure gauge. I wanted to see if this was showing us any signs here. This is an indicator we coded, and you guys get this part of the bundle pack. What this does is it looks at the RSI, the relative strength index, and we coded this to look for extreme pressure in the market. And if you ever get a really solid yellow line, this means incredible pressure is building and massive things happen after this. Very fast. And we have 3 different levels here to show you guys the different pressures. When you do get something coming out like this, where you get a kind of there's a transparent, there's a little bit darker yellow, then there's a solid yellow. These middle yellow points, guys, is right where all the action happens right after that. We call it our jackpot indicator because it's like, it can get you guys into some crazy moves, but please just watch the video on it and just be responsible when you guys are using that. Again, this faded yellow line here, not the really transparent one, it gives you guys some signs, but this one right here, when these come out here, it's when the market has indecision and there's very fast moves that happen after this. Very, very fast. So you guys can use them on any time frame. I was just going to check to see if we have any on the daily. I don't think we have them on the 4-hour either. No, we did over here. This massive, look at this. Let me just show this to you guys again if you guys are using this. When you guys see this big yellow line come out here, it is calling it literally down here before the big moves happen. That's an 8% move here, guys. It is what's called the pressure gauge, our jackpot indicator. So I didn't plan on talking about this, but literally go over to our indicators. I've linked this in the description and I pinned it to the comment. Part of the bundle pack that you guys get is the 3 indicators right here I talk about all the time, but that's the pressure gauge. And we call it literally the jackpot indicator because it can get you guys into some insane moves. It's like NFP for Forex. If you guys know what Forex, NFP, non-farm payroll, it's like that, but for crypto. So if you guys, and I also coded alerts for you guys. So if you're out like, shopping or something, you guys can have alerts for that. The bundle pack, snag that, it's 82% off and you'll get that indicator right there. So anyways, side tangent, I know, but I just want to show that to you guys because it's kind of fun. Okay, Dogecoin sitting this low right here. Here's the deal, guys. I actually think Dogecoin, because trend exhaustion's in the bottom right section here, and we see the well money flow kind of moving down here, if this can head down any further and get paired up where we're both low again, like we kind of see over here, trend exhaustion, bottom section, well money flow low, this is where I'm actually kind of looking for market turnarounds. So I actually wouldn't doubt if Dogecoin actually sees a little bit of a turnaround here this morning and maybe in the next few days. If that doesn't happen, guys, the next structure support is at 6.5 cents, okay? So 6 cents is possible, gonna be honest with that, but let's go over here and look at the metrics. This is where I like to just kind of hang out in the morning. Literally, before I get on the video with you guys, I just sit in my chair, drink a bunch of water in the morning, just keeps me like hydrated, and I just look over the metrics, and I just calmly just like, it's actually really fun for me. I love geeking out on metrics. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like, okay, the emotional index this morning. Okay, I know a lot of people are getting excited in here because the market's been going up here. And I know when the emotional index is high here, I'm looking for Wells institutions to short this thing or at least sell it because that's where you guys are providing all the liquidity. When you get really excited in the market and you start really throwing all your money in, this is where you guys start putting a lot of buy orders in, which is a great place for Wells to start selling. And you guys are like, well, how can I win in the markets? Well, we've won 122 trades and 1 loss. The deal is you guys actually want to be trading down here with smart money, and I'll get there and I'll show you guys how to do that. Let's move down here. So long versus short trades, look at this. The reason why nothing's moving is because long and shorts have not done anything. Now, this is some awesome price action over here, moving down, moving up, but look what's happening. There's actually volume differences on long and shorts. There is nothing happening on Bitfinex over here for long and shorts. It's just like nothing. It's crazy. Okay, so moving down here, market cap strength. Looking at this, we can see that down here we've got market cap just kind of moving back and forth a little bit. It's staying pretty healthy to price, but guys, overall in the market, Dogecoin holds about, I would say, 0.9%, less than 1%. 0.9% of all the money in crypto is in Dogecoin. Okay, not a ton of money. We got about 48% in Bitcoin right now. Just give you guys reference. Okay, trades in favor. Neutral section here is what we're looking for. So nothing crazy. We're not shooting up here looking for an amazing short trade for the market to move back down like it did there. Not looking for a great long trade over here, which it did move up right here in the market. And it's hard to see right there, but I'm talking about this move right here. Came out and said a great long trade was right there. Guys, making money in these markets is a whole lot easier. I'm not going to say it's just easy, but I don't know. Some people may say that. We literally have done 28% profit on scalping trades since May 18th. We're over 1%. We're actually at 1.5 1% average per day, but because the Solana trade is active, I wanted to bring it down to just over 1%, just to be honest with where we're at. Okay, so well-institutional smart money. Here's what you guys need to be using instead of the emotional index. Now, I put this here so you guys can gauge your emotions. So when you wake up in the morning, you're like, all right, I'm excited this morning because we see Dogecoin moving back up. Then just do me a favor, guys. Come down here and check to see what, Wells and institutions are doing. If this thing is blasting off here and you see a huge short trade metric bar out here, you need to watch for the drop back down, okay? You guys just need to watch that. Smart money is going to be moving against your guys' liquidity in the market. If you guys are getting really, excited, or if you're getting really fearful in the market, or you guys are getting like euphoria over here and you're like, oh, Dogecoin's going to the moon, everyone comes out here, I'm going to come out here on this channel and say, look, here's what smart money is doing. Short trades are increasing over here in sentiment, that they're looking to take advantage of your liquidity, and the market's usually going to be looking for a drop, okay? Lately, what we've been seeing is more long trades come out here. It's not super aggressive because orange lines show aggressiveness, but I am looking for more of this to start heading back up here than just starting to drop back down. Why? Because how much lower are we going to go on Dogecoin, guys? Like, we're at pre-pump levels. You've had so many opportunities to get into these coins right now. And I think what people are doing is they're waiting. They're thinking, all right, we might go into a huge recession. The housing market might tank 40 to 20%. Everything's going to go lower. That's probably why people are holding off. But I would get something in the market, guys. I've got $75,000 in the market. So if we start moving back up here, we will be jumping. Honestly, guys, if we hit any type of major start, like pumping up here, we will be jumping by the tens of thousands of dollars per day. It's gonna get awesome. So I would have some skin in the game. So let's end this with this right here. Let's keep going down here in dollar cost average entries. This actually just came off yesterday. So definitely be watching this, guys. A lot of signs down here showing you that the bottom should be bought if you guys don't have money in crypto already like we do, like I showed you, okay? If you guys lost everything, which I know a lot of you guys did, come in here and start using the actual risk management that I teach you guys on this channel, okay? This is literally going to update here in like 36 minutes. You guys are going to have brand new buy limits. Here's the deal. If you have $1,000 on any of our charts, you can take that and split it into 4 equal portions for really good risk management. Those are your 4 buy limits. Once the first one's hit, set up a sell limit in green up here. And then you guys are just going to follow me in Telegram, and I'm going to call all these exits for you guys. This is the Telegram. This is where we've called 7 out of 7 trades for 28% profit in the last 18 days when I posted this. And we have gone 122 wins for only 1 loss, and that 1 loss was actually on Luna, guys. So it's been pretty amazing over here to actually trade with us. We have the highest win rate recorded on YouTube and in crypto ever that we can find, which is awesome. And on top of that, which is honestly more awesome than that, we still have an account and we have the healthiest crypto account. We've saved the most money in our account out of anybody in crypto that we can find. Anybody, guys. So we don't say that to be arrogant. I don't say that to be arrogant, but like, this is where you guys start saving money and you actually can have some money to claim in bear markets. And when you start heading back up, we will be the first in the profit before probably anybody else because we use such good risk management. I'm giving this to you guys so you can do it as well. That's the point. Start using this and start being part of the testimonials over here and start scalping with us, guys. This guy does $200 here and he's like a quick $200. Takes $150, turns it into $1,000 here. This guy down here, you guys see this all the time. I'm telling you guys this all the time. $23,000 with 2 indicators in 1 single week. $6,310 in 13 days. Guys, again, they're using our indicators and our strategy. $3,500 here in a week using the indicators and metrics. So what you guys need to do, come over and snag the bundle pack since it's 82% off. You guys get this today. All these indicators down here are yours, all 9 of them. One-time purchase, lifetime access, and you get the source codes. So snag those. Then once you guys do that, come into the membership and actually get over here and start looking at all the metrics every day to help gauge what the market's doing and trade a little bit better. The master classes will accelerate you guys so fast in crypto. Seriously, the master classes are going to do wonders for you guys. The community chat to hang out with members who are trading this, guys, we have like a few thousand people over here trading and they're doing really well and their accounts are super healthy if they're following us. Okay, and every single month we're going to go live and I'm going to talk to you guys with a Q&A session, and we do have that planned over here into the inner circle. So that's everything, guys. I hope you really enjoy this. The markets are just at a really good buying opportunity time, but because there's a chance the market can go down, promise me, guys, that when you do enter, you guys will look to be using the different buy limits down here. I'm just going to use Dogecoin for an example. If you want to come in and throw money in the market right now, I would use at minimum these first 3 buy limits. so you guys have money spread out in case we head lower. All right, guys, I love you. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. That is how you keep your account safe. It's how you make money, and you have something to claim even in a bear market. Literally, what else are you guys looking for in crypto? You will have the healthiest account in a bear market. You will still have, you're part of the highest win rate recorded ever in crypto, and we have the healthiest account. And you guys have metrics and indicators to call this. And on top of that, our scalping strategy has literally done 28% profit in the last 20 days. Over 1% profit a day. That is what you guys are getting with the membership, and you guys are getting with the indicators. So you guys are going to be going throughout your day and be like, man, that sounded pretty cool what Travis was saying. Get the indicators, get the membership, and then come over here and just watch this video right here on our front page. That's how you guys scalp. And then if you guys go to the front page, again, literally just go straight down to Bitcoin and then watch this video here. Those are the 2 videos that show you guys everything that we're doing in trading. Everything in trading is all right here in those 2 videos. All right. God bless you guys. Have a good one. Have an amazing Tuesday here. Snag that bundle pack, 82% off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.